Alright, welcome back to another video. This is the 72-hour update since I applied the Fast Green Lawn Fertilizer with the 5% iron. What do you guys think? Does the lawn look any greener? I'm not sure. I will have to actually go back and look at the footage and do a comparison. We actually got a lot of rain over the last 3 days, so I know the product was watered in very well. I got a lot of debris in the yard from the tree that I'll have to mow out once I get to mowing again. I know I'm gonna have to mow the lawn in the next I'll say by the weekend. Today is Tuesday, but just check it out. This is side number 2. The lawn looks good, but I don't know if it's any greener. Tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna give a better shot here. Let's get a good shot of the whole lawn. All right, side number 2. Let's go to side number 1. What do you guys think of side number 1? Does it look any greener? Me personally, if I had to say, if I thought it looked any greener, I would say maybe not. But I won't know fully until I do a comparison myself. I actually just got out of here, got out of work, so I felt like I should just shoot this video, let you guys see this part, 72-hour update. I don't know. I can't make my assessments fully yet. Maybe you guys can. Maybe I'll see a bigger difference in 7 days. But the product was like a clone of the Scott's Max Green, and that product said it will you get a greener lawn in 3 days. Now this product didn't say give you a greener lawn in 3 days, but it is the clone of the product, so I assume that they had the same kind of ingredients and same kind of reaction on the lawn. Maybe not. Maybe that was my my bad assumption. Maybe it's just like a normal fertilizer where you'll see probably results in 7 days. So I'm not sure. Not sure until I actually go ahead and do my full assessment when I look at the other video. But this is the 72-hour update. The lawn doesn't look that bad. I don't know. What you guys think? Leave a comment down below and just let me know what you think. Take care and stay tuned for more videos. Got a lot more work to do.